So how confident are you feeling this morning?
No, I'm very confident about the people of Tirunduram wanting change. They have given opportunities, as you know, to one candidate of the Congress over 3 times, and they've given the other candidate an opportunity once. And both those candidates have done very little to move Tirunduram forward or indeed affect any change in the lives of the people of Tirunduram. And they are aware of what Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has done over the last 10 years and what I am capable of doing for them. And I'm very confident that the people of Tirunduram will make a break from the past politics of the Congress and the left and move forward to politics of development, politics of prosperity, politics of investments and jobs.
So earlier this morning you visited a church, now you're at a temple. Was there any symbolism attached to visiting a church, because the Christian population, you need their support as well, and they've not been open about this?
No, not at all. There's nothing symbolic or anything about what I do. I do everything because I believe in those things. I have, as you know, a deep connection and a root with the Christian community. I studied early on in Catholic school, and therefore, as you set off on this very important day in my political career, in the political history of Tirunduvaram, I seek the blessings of Lord Jesus in a church and Ganapati in Parangadi temple and Padmanabha Swami. So this is something I deeply believe in, and I go seek the blessings. And so there is nothing optics about it, or there is nothing political about it. But it is an important day, and certainly it's an important day not just for me, but for the people of Tirunduram and the whole district moving forward in terms of its own future.
So earlier you did mention about the fact that you're up against a 3-time parliamentarian, and the candidate from the left is not exactly pulling his hat out of the ring. So it's a 3-cornered, interesting fight in Thiruvananthapuram, sir.
Yes, it is a 3-cornered fight. Even though it's a 3-cornered fight, we all know very clearly that the CPI and the Congress are chai samosa buddies of the India Alliance. And so while it may look like a 3-cornered fight and there are 3 candidates, there is really very little difference between what the Congress and the CPI candidates offer to the people of Tirunduram. They have been given many opportunities in the past, in particular the Congress, and they have very little to show for it. So I think this is an issue to do with people giving opportunities to leaders and what they have done with it. And therefore me going to the people and saying, look, you've given these people opportunities, they have done very little with your trust. Give me an opportunity, trust me for one term, and let me show you, as I have put out in as a document, what we can do for the future of Tirunduram and for the lives of all the people who have suffered for so many years, including those in the coastal community.